What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a question. What is the hottest thing to sell on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, even ClickBank these days? If you said software, you would be right. And I am so excited because for the first time, I haven't really seen something like this. You get quality software that you can actually put your own brand name on it, you can put your own name on it and sell it, and it costs you next to nothing, and it's actually hosted for you. It's all coming up in my review of WhiteLabelify. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my doughs can be as stale as well. Last week's muffins, I just bought some muffins and they're already stale. Could you believe that? Very disappointing. They were expensive too. But I like these fancy gourmet muffins. That's just me, whatever. I have expensive taste. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on Life Mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who cannot love Liz? She's an absolute sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. Yeah, she says the same thing every single week, but so what? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for WhiteLabelify, which is kind of a mouthful of a name. I think that perhaps we could have come up with a better name for this product, but there it is. WhiteLabelify is from my friend Ronnie Rocks, and Ronnie is a good guy. He really tries to be very, very upfront and give you quality products. And this one I'm very excited about. Basically, he's going to give you 6 products. We're going to go over them in just a minute, because before I go over them, I want to tell you about my custom bonus. But he's going to give you 6 products that you can actually put your own name on it, put your own brand name on it, basically have a logo made and everything, and sell it as your own. Okay, now I do have a custom bonus that is going to blow your mind. Okay, now first and foremost, what I'm going to do for you is like this. The first thing I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you 1 year of Conversion Champ. This is my own software that I had developed, and Conversion Champ basically what it does is it pops up those little notifications at the bottom that says so-and-so just bought such and such, or it pops up a random review, or it pops up a pop-up that says, hey, before you leave, why don't you grab this thing for a discount, things like that. They're really, really helpful. They make people extra money. You're going to get 1 year completely for free. In addition to that, I'm going to give you 2 other things. First of all, I'm going to give you a set of logos that you can customize. Okay, you can customize these logos to use for your white label software. Okay, so you can actually put in your own logos on the software. Nobody's going to give that to you, and I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm going to show you where to edit them completely for free as well. And then I'm going to give you something that is going to blow your mind. Okay, there is a secret website. A lot of the bigger names in the industry know about it, but most people don't know about this website. There is a website that I'm going to show you where you can purchase white label software. And what I mean by that is software that you can go ahead, you pay for your own hosting, and you can use cheap hosting, for like $5 or $10 a month or something like that, cheap hosting. You buy the software and you have the right to sell it. And I'm going to show you my secret that I personally have been using with this website. I've bought several different pieces of software from there. Some of you may already be using some of the software that I purchased from them, and I've gotten some really, really nice software from there. I'm going to show you the secret website. I'm going to show you my secret that I've actually been able to get software for next to nothing over there, and how I'm able to use it to actually make money. And it's a very, very tricky little thing that I've been doing, because ordinarily on this particular website, if you want to sell the software, if you want to actually sell the software, you have to pay hundreds of dollars. okay, which is still a good deal, because if you have something developed, it costs you thousands upon thousands of dollars. And I know, because I've had custom software developed. Okay, I've done it. I've had custom software developed. It is very expensive, very time consuming. I still have an app that is now about 8 months in development. I'm hoping will finally be coming out soon. I've been working with my developer on and off again. It's been driving me crazy. So I know that custom software development is very, very expensive, very time consuming. This website, you can get software that's ready to go. You take a few simple steps to install it. But usually, if you want to be able to sell it and make money off of the software, it's going to cost you $400, $500, $600, okay? Maybe $300. I found a a little trick that I've used for several of these software products, where I was able to get for like 30, 40, 50 bucks and still make money off of it. I'm not selling it. I'm not doing anything that violates the terms of the contract. Okay, but I am able to make money off of it. I'm going to teach you exactly what I've been doing with it, which has been super awesome for me, because it's really helped me make so much more money from my own business. I'm going to teach you how to do that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area for WhiteLabelify. Okay, so here we go. This is the members area. And you do get a limited number of customers. That's the only downside to WhiteLabelify, but they are hosting it for you, so you don't have to pay for hosting, which is good. The website I'm going to teach you about, by the way, you can get it with unlimited users. Okay, I just give it. I use it all the time, and I don't worry about how many people use the software that I buy there. Okay, now if you pick up any upgrade, by the way, to WhiteLabelify, I'm going to upgrade you to an unlimited a lifetime account for Conversion Champ. What that means is that that this is not available for sale, by the way. Right now, if you go to conversionchamp.net, it costs, I think, $10 per month for Conversion Champ, for the basic Conversion Champ. Okay, so if you were to go there and try to purchase Conversion Champ, you can only purchase the monthly option. There is no option to purchase the lifetime option anymore. It was available only during launch. It is gone. You can't purchase that anymore. Okay, but if you pick up any upgrade to WhiteLabelify, I'm going to give you lifetime access to Conversion Champ. Okay, now if you pick up WhiteLabelify and 2 upgrades, okay, pick up 2 upgrades, I'm going to give you Conversion Champ Premium Lifetime. What that means is that you get all the benefits, you get unlimited impressions, you get unlimited everything, and you get it for lifetime, for as long as the software lasts. It's, you know, hopefully for the next 50 years or so, as long as I'm alive at least, and maybe my children and my grandchildren, who knows. But basically, the license is for 99 years, and it kind of just like, you know, somebody asked me about it once, and I said, well, the license for 99 years because the software requires me to put in a date of expiration. So I put in a date of expiration of like the year 2120 or something like that. And I said, in the year 2120, if you're still using the software and my great grandchildren are still around hosting it, then we'll go ahead and you know, renew it for another 100 years for you, you know. But that's basically the idea. You get it for lifetime, and you get the Premium Pro. That's the highest level of Conversion Champ. You get it completely for free with any 2 upgrades to WhiteLabelify. So let's take a quick look at these, and you can see here there's 6 different pieces of software. So the first one is the bonus page, and what you can do is you can just click manage your white label. Sorry, that's a bit of a tongue twister. Okay, and you can go here to white label settings. You can actually go ahead and specify exactly what you want it to be. You can give it a name. You can give it a title. Okay, so you can give it your own name. If you, instead of super bonus page, you can say bonus grabber or bonus grab or bonusify. Bonusify, somebody else is using that name, but whatever, things like that. Come up with your own name. Okay, you can put in the description. You can put in the URL that you want it to have, so you can give it your own URL. If you would like to give it your own URL, they have optional settings here where you can actually add the logo. So you can go ahead and choose your own logo. As I said, I'm going to give you logos that you can actually go ahead and do. And of course, they do have the option to use a private domain. Basically, you can go purchase a domain name and have it point to the domain. So this way, nobody knows that it's run by WhiteLabelify. It's your own. you have your own domain. And it's super simple. And you simply set it and forget it, and you start selling things. Okay, they have the sales page already done for you. Okay, it's really, really beautifully done here. This is a very, very high-end thing where you can do everything all inclusive. It is super duper simple. Everything is done for you in the back end, and it's really, really great. I'm very, very excited about this piece of software. And by the way, did I mention it's $17? Okay, for $17, you're going to get a year of Conversion Champ. You're going to get my 300 logo templates with where to edit them for free, and you're also going to be getting my guide to where to get other white label software for very, very cheap prices, and how I'm able to purchase these software for like next to nothing and still make money off of them, even though I'm not purchasing the commercial license to them. I'm purchasing the license that says I have to give it away for free. I'm still able to make money off of them, even though I give it away for free. I'm going to tell you all about it in my bonus. Okay, let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, that was kind of obvious, wasn't it? I mean, seriously, you demand this thing. I am blown away. You know, it's Ronnie is not as well known as some of the bigger names in the industry, so perhaps that's why you may have not have heard of it. I took a look and I was blown away by this. I am absolutely loving this thing for 17 bucks. This is a godsend for you to be able to finally start making some real money online. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is so good. You're absolutely going to love it.